Hello dear students and welcome back. In today's video we'll continue learning about conditionals and the if statement here, and we'll be introducing the concept of logical operators. Now to understand the reasoning behind why we need logical operators, in the previous video we learned that if statement will evaluate a condition. Once this condition is met, it will execute that condition and ignore any other condition inside. It will not evaluate that, and it will jump straight to the next line of code. Now, what if I want then to combine conditions together, evaluate them together, so that I don't care if the if statement ignores anything else. So in this case, I want to evaluate a condition like this, right? Here we have age 19 and 19 is greater than 18. We print this, and this is not printed, but in some scenarios, maybe this code is very important to us to be executed in case age was indeed 19. Now, of course, what we can do, if it is very, very important, we can put this condition at the top, right, before this condition, and as such, this will be executed. But what we can do also, introduce the logical operators, which allow us to compare two conditions at once, right? And if both of them are true, right, then the condition will be executed. And this is in the case of, let me remove these, as here we are talking about logical operators. And the logical operators are and, or, and not. We'll see how we can use them. So here we'll say if age is greater than 18 and, all right, age equals 19, then print adult and maybe print something else. Go to college. All right. Now we can remove this. All right. This makes life easier. Now, if I run this code, I get adult, go to college, and then it finished. So, and if we introduce and, this is called a logical operator and, we have condition 1, condition 2. Condition 1 is true, condition 2 is true, then this will execute. If condition 1 is false and condition 2 is true, it will not execute. If condition 1 is true and condition 2 is false, it will not execute. If both conditions are false, it will not execute. The only time this will execute when both are true. Now, or on the other hand, it will execute all the time unless both of them are false. So if this is true, this is true, it will execute. True, false will not execute. It will execute. False, true, it will execute. False, false will not execute. So if we run this, we get the same output because the first condition is true, second condition is true, it execute. If this was, for example, 20, and we run this, we get the same output because at least one condition is true. In this case, age is greater than 18. 20 is greater than 18. Doesn't equal 19. That's fine. At least one true. We have one true. Then we will execute this code. Now, let me add not here. So we can say if no else if not age equal 2, or let's say less than or equal 6, then we'll say print here are You are good to go. So now here, what we are saying that if age is not less than 6, so it is 7, 8, 9, and so on, this will be executed. If it is less than that, it will not be executed. And the reason for that, if age, for example, was 5, now is age less than or equal to 6? True. Not the true is false, so this will be false, this will not be executed. If this was 12, 12 is less than or equal to 6, false. Not false is true, so this will be executed. So if I run this, I am getting some error here apparently. So yeah, I think I need to enclose this in parentheses. So if I run this, now you can see you don't have any errors. So you are good to go, because not false is true, right? As simple as that, actually. So now we can see a quick recap here, and will execute only if both conditions are true, or will execute anytime we have at least one true statement. So it will execute if one of them is true or if both of them is true. Not will negate the condition stats. If it is true, it will be converted to false, and if it is false, it will be converted to true.